Here are some interesting facts about flamingos. Flamingos are pink birds that live in warm and tropical regions around the world. They are known for their distinctive pink feathers, which get their color from carotenoid pigments in the food they eat. Flamingos are social birds that live in large colonies, often with tens of thousands of individuals. They are herbivores and feed on algae, small crustaceans, and plankton. Flamingos are excellent swimmers and divers and can be found in shallow lakes, lagoons, and coastal areas. They have long legs and can stand in deep water where they use their beaks to filter small plants and animals from the water. Flamingos are monogamous birds, with many species forming long-term pair bonds. They are known for their distinctive mating dances, which involve elaborate displays of feathers, postures, and movements. Flamingos are popular zoo animals and are often kept in captivity for conservation and education purposes. Some species of flamingos are endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Flamingos can stand on one leg while they sleep, with the other leg tucked under their body. They have a unique way of eating, using their beaks to filter small plants and animals from the water. Flamingos are born with gray feathers, which turn pink after they start eating foods that contain carotenoid pigments. They are excellent flyers, with some species migrating hundreds of miles each year. Flamingos have a highly developed sense of vision and can spot small crustaceans and plankton in the water. They are social birds and live in large colonies, often with other species of birds. Flamingos are known for their loud, trumpet-like calls, which can be heard for miles. They are monogamous birds, with many species forming long-term pair bonds that can last for many years. Flamingos are important indicators of environmental health, as changes in their populations can indicate broader ecosystem problems. They have been around for a long time. Fossil records show that flamingos have remained largely unchanged for millions of years. Flamingos can drink boiling water. Flamingos can tolerate extremely high temperatures and can drink water that is boiling hot. They have a special gland that helps remove excess salt from their bodies. Flamingos have a special gland located above their eyes that helps remove excess salt from their bodies, which is important because they live in salty environments. Flamingos are excellent swimmers. Flamingos are well adapted to life in the water and are excellent swimmers. They use their powerful legs and webbed feet to propel themselves through the water. They have a unique way of communicating. Flamingos use a variety of calls and body language to communicate with each other. They are able to make loud, trumpet-like calls that can be heard for miles. Flamingos are very social animals. Flamingos are highly social animals that live in large colonies. Flamingos can live up to 50 years in the wild, while many flamingos in captivity can live into their 60s. Those in the wild typically live for around 50 years. They have a unique mating ritual. Flamingos are known for their elaborate mating rituals, which involve intricate dances and displays of feathers. Flamingos are born with gray feathers. As I mentioned earlier, flamingos are born with gray feathers that turn pink after they start eating foods that contain carotenoid pigments. They have a highly developed sense of balance. Flamingos are able to stand on one leg while they sleep, which requires an impressive amount of balance. Flamingos are important ecosystem engineers. Flamingos play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems through their feeding and nesting activities. They have a unique way of regulating their body temperature. Flamingos are able to regulate their body temperature by standing in shallow water and exposing their legs to the air. Flamingos are social learners. Flamingos learn important behaviors and skills by watching and imitating other flamingos. They have a highly developed sense of spatial awareness. Flamingos are able to navigate complex aquatic environments with ease. Flamingos are able to fly at high speeds. While they may not be as fast as some other birds, flamingos are able to reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. They have a unique way of communicating with each other through feathers. Flamingos use their feathers to communicate with each other through a variety of displays and postures. Flamingos have a special type of vision that helps them find food. Flamingos have what's called polarized vision, which allows them to see into the water and spot small crustaceans and plankton. They have a unique way of eating. Flamingos use their beaks to filter small plants and animals from the water, and they often eat with their beaks upside down. Flamingos are very social animals. Flamingos live in large colonies and are known to form close bonds with other flamingos. They have a highly developed sense of hearing. Flamingos are able to hear sounds that are too faint for humans to detect. Flamingos are able to jump high. Despite their large size, flamingos are able to jump as high as 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet in a single bound. They have a unique way of regulating their body temperature. Flamingos are able to regulate their body temperature by standing in shallow water and exposing their legs to the air. Flamingos are important indicators of water quality. Flamingos are sensitive to changes in water quality and can serve as indicators of ecosystem health. They have a highly developed sense of smell. Flamingos have a highly developed sense of smell that helps them detect food and predators. Flamingos are able to live in extreme environments. Flamingos are able to live in environments with extreme temperatures, high salinity, and low oxygen levels.